This video mainly introduces for installing the drawer seat and the circuit breaker body of an ACB. Firstly, align the 4 screw holes inside the drawer seat. Fix the drawer seat to the cabinet with 4 M10 bolts. During installation, be careful to prevent foreign objects such as nuts and washers from falling into the drawer seat. Pull out the sliding rails from the drawer seat. Place the bottom part of the circuit breaker on the sliding rails. Pay attention to aligning the concave area when placing it. Push the sliding rails into the drawer seat. Take out the rotating handle from the lower left corner of the drawer seat. Insert it into the hole in the middle position of the breaker. Rotate the handle clockwise. When the indicator arrow points to the test position, the red button on the right pops up simultaneously. At this time, the handle cannot rotate, and parameter tests can be performed under this status. Press the red button on the right again. Continue to rotate the handle clockwise. When the indicator arrow points to the connected position, the red button on the right pops up simultaneously again. At this time, the handle cannot rotate. Pull out the handle. Insert it back to the hole on the left side. Place it in the hole. The circuit breaker body and drawer seats have been connected in place. Main circuit connected. Remove the circuit breaker body. Contrary to the above video steps,